वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। निम्मी निम्मी तारिया दिनो पुजरिया ने बुआ खोलिया निम्मी निम्मी तारिया दिनो पुजरिया ने बुआ खोलिया उचिया सिंहासनां ते मैया नू बैठा के उचिया सिंहासनां ते मैया नू बैठा के चंदन दा माए तेनू तिलक लगा के फुल्लां दी महकी खुशबू पुजरिया ने बुआ खोलिया निम्मी निम्मी तारिया दिनो पुजरिया ने बुआ खोलिया भवना दे बेड़े आते वजन नगाड़े भवना दे बेड़े आते वजन नगाड़े भक्त प्रेमी बोलन मादे जयकारे जोतां दी जगमग जो पुजरिया ने बुआ खोलिया निम्मी निम्मी तारिया दिनो पुजरिया ने बुआ खोलिया मंदिर दी शोभा है जग तो न्यारी मंदिर दी शोभा है जग तो न्यारी अंदर है बैठी मैया मैया शेर सवारी, गुफा विच बैठी मैया आध पवारी, चरना च गए खलो, पुजारिया ने बुआ खोलिया, निमी निमी तारिया दिलो, पुजारिया ने बुआ खोलिया, हाथ विच नारियल भेंटा नू लैके, हाथ विच नारियल भेंटा नू लैके, चरना च आ गए भक्त मां बैके, चरना च खड़िया खलो, पुजारिया ने बुआ खोलिया, निमी निमी तारिया दिलो, पुजारिया ने बुआ खोलिया, निमी निमी तारिया दिलो, पुजारिया ने बुआ खोलिया, पुजारिया ने बुआ खोलिया, पुजारिया ने बुआ खोलिया। बोल साचे दरबार की जय, माई मेरी जगदिया जोता वाली माता त्वरी सदा ही जय।
Thank you. Everybody could just mute them.
अभी नेक्स्ट इला जी आप खाने वाली हैं कुछ?
विमल भाई,
हाँ, एक माता जी का हम भी एक गाएंगे गरबा जैसा माता जी का। अच्छा अच्छा,
ऑलराइट। नाम रे सबसे बड़ा तेरा नाम, ओ शेरों वाली ऊंची डेरों वाली, माता चोटा वाली बिगड़े बनाए बुरे काम। नाम रे नाम रे सबसे बड़ा तेरा नाम, ओ डेरों वाली माता चोटा वाली बिगड़े
सबसे बड़ा तेरा नाम, होशियों वाली ऊंचे डेरों वाली माता चोटा वाली बिगड़ी बनाने में काम। नाम रे
सात चिन्ह बल ऐसी घड़ी है, विपदा आन पड़ी है। सात चिन्ह बल ऐसी घड़ी है, विपदा आन पड़ी है। तूने सीखा तो रास्ता ये दुनिया रास्ता रोक खड़ी है। मेरा जीवन बना संग
होशियों वाली ऊंचे डेरों वाली माता चला वाली मेरी बहना जी मेरी राम नाम रे।
नाम रे सबसे बड़ा तेरा नाम, होशियों वाली ऊंची डेरों वाली माता चला वाली मेरे बहना जी मेरी
राम नाम रे।
हमारे गुजराती सिद्धि अचनवनिधि दे, वंश में बुद्धि दे, बागवानी धर्म में ज्ञान दे, चित्त में ध्यान दे, वरदान दे, संभरानी दुख कर सुख भरपूर कर, आप संपूर्ण कर, पास जाने साजन को हित दे, तुमसे प्रीत दे, जग में जीत दे, माँ भवानी रे जीवे, जग में जीत दे, माँ भवानी। कृष्ण भगवान वारी गाने का तो मंडलावा तुम्हारी अड़ावा तो जियो कृष्ण भगवान वारी गाने का तो मंडलावा मेरा तो पूरी जजे पावा जी मारी मांगल जय जय कर गई मेरा
थैंक यू। जैसे नवरात्रि शुरू हो
गए
कल
तो
से। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू दीमन भाई, थैंक यू लीला बहन।
थैंक यू।
रामिला जी।
Okay, so I was supposed to do something on Upwas and all that. So we already have done that. Some other Acharya ji was here and he did it. And then I wanted to do Upwas food. So we have more qualified person, Uma ji, here to talk about that. So I said, let's talk about then some Navaratri and how diverse it is. India में language हो या आपके dresses हो या आपका culture हो, so much is diversity there. Or the best example of a diversity cannot be any other than Navratri. हर जगह celebrate different होता है, लेकिन our theme is still the same, that we are trying to please our God. And Navratri में हमारे पास 3 देवीज हैं जो कि हम हर दिन एक देवी की हम पूजा करते हैं. That's why it's called Navaratri. So नेक्स्ट हम दिखाएंगे ये फर्स्ट देवी जो है नवरात्रि जो हम वर्शिप करते हैं वो है देवी शैलपुरी शैलपुरनी। इसको वर्शिप करते हैं तो इसके करने से हमारे बैड इफेक्ट्स और डिसीजेस वगैरह के लिए इट हेल्प्स। सेकेंड डे हम नवरात्रि में वर्शिप करते हैं देवी ब्रह्मचर्य। It's believed that Brahmacharya controls the control planet Mars and grants long life. So, थर्ड डे जो नवरात्रि है हम वर्शिप करते हैं चंद्रघंटा हम देवी जी उन टाइगर पे राइड करते हैं, ऑलमोस्ट लुक लाइक शेर आल्सो। इनको ये वीनस को करते हैं और इनके पूजा करने से फियरलेसनेस एंड करेज आपको प्राप्त होता है। सो इफ यू वांट दैट विल बी द थर्ड डे। फोर्थ डे हमारे नवरात्रि को हम वर्शिप करते हैं देवी कुष्मांडा। ये प्लैनेट सन को कंट्रोल करती हैं और इनके पूजा करने से बीमारी का इफेक्ट और फ्यूचर आपका सुधरता है। फिफ्थ डे ऑफ आवर नवरात्रि वी वर्शिप देवी स्कंद मुंडा Mata that represents planet Mercury. This is very compassionate towards her devotees. Sixth day of Navratri, we worship our Devi Kanyani. It's a form of Shakti. Jupiter इनके control में है, तो ये आपको courage, अगर आपकी worship करें तो courage to her worshippers. She gives a lot of courage. Seventh day of our Navratri is worship is कालरात्रि और काली माता भी बोलते हैं। इन्होंने अपने डीमंस को नाश करने के लिए अपना स्किन का कलर को डार्क कलर में चेंज किया था। जस्ट शी डिडंट केयर फॉर हर गोरी स्किन। ये सैटर्न को कंट्रोल करती हैं और इट्स सिंबलाइजेस ब्रेवरी। एट्थ डे जो नवरात्रि का है वो वर्शिप करते हैं हम देवी महागौरी। ये कंट्रोल करती है राहु को और स्पेसिफाई आवर हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स। और नाइन्थ डे ऑफ नवरात्रि वी वर्शिप देवी सिद्धिदाता। ये डोमिनेट करती है प्लैनेट केतु एंड ऑफर्स विजडम एंड नॉलेज। देन वी आल्सो सेलिब्रेट आवर so these all are 9 devis जो हमने अभी नाम गिनाए। They are all form of different powers of our Durga. ये दुर्गा के ही 9 शक्तिज हैं जो हम हर एक दिन में पूजते हैं नवरात्रि के दौरान। Then we celebrate also in various places in different ways. रामलीला होती है दिल्ली और आसपास के नॉर्थ दिल्ली में, north of India, and then there's a Garba in Gujarat, and then there are other dances in Rajasthan, you name it, everywhere. And Calcutta mein Durga Puja, and Himachal mein they just do Dashara, they don't do anything else. So there are various kinds way we celebrate, but then again goal is just the same. All we are trying to do is please our goddesses. ये रामलीला का मैंने एक पिक्चर लिया, इसमें तकरीबन it has described all the scenes of from Ramayan, starting from 1 to end. अयोध्या से उनका निकास होना, and then लंका का दहन करना. So it's all everything is there. इस साल अयोध्या में भी लीला शुरू करने वाले हैं October 17 से, that is tomorrow, the 25th, but they are going to broadcast it on TVs and different TV screens around the area. So this is Navaratri, how we celebrate in different festivals, different areas. So Calcutta में Durga Puja तो सबसे ज़्यादा पांपन शो से मनाई जाती है. And then we have Garba में Gujarat में Dandiya and Garba. And then in Kerala उनके first last 3 days होते हैं, वो ज़्यादा सबसे ज़्यादा उनके लिए auspicious होते हैं. They worship their puja or musical instruments. That's what they pray, and they say at that time whatever they read or anything, so they get enough of knowledge of that. And here we have people of Andhra Pradesh. That's very different. They make फूलों के कुछ called Bathukam Kana Pandwa something. and they made those, and then they worship those, and they at the end of the Navratri, they unko kisi talab mein float kar dete hain. So that's their way of doing it. Then we have this in Tamil Nadu, they make different dolls. Not only dolls, they make a set of steps. On those steps, they decorate their dolls. And these dolls, they even pass from generation to generation. So there are so many ways we celebrate and do it. But most of the time, most of us do fast during this. During the fast, we should make sure fasting should not make us weak, irritable, or create any urge to indulge later. This happens when there is no noble goal. So here we have Upwas food and nutrition specialist. I'm going to call her. Umaji is going to talk about, Umaji is a trained medical doctor from Karnataka, India. She worked as a doctor for a few years before moving to US. She studied and became certified holistic nutritional counselor. Presently, she combines her passion for health, medicine, nutrition, and culinary skills by helping others with the nutrition and lifestyle changes. So here she is. She's going to talk about Upwas food, nutrition, and she's also going to show some of her other foods. Okay.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, I'm going to, how I stop sharing. I'm going to stop sharing and it's all yours.
Okay.
Stop sharing for now.
Thank you, Pramila ji, for such a wonderful presentation and detailed information. Like we do things, but we don't recall all those information. And welcome, Umaji. Thank you.
Namaste ji. Thank you so much for having me. And today I'll be talking a little bit about fasting foods and sattvic khana. Sattvic khana jo hote hain, like usually in any conservative families, you come back normally where we grew up and all, we come eating only sattvic food. And upvas jo hote hai, it's usually during Ekadashi or any other festival times. We do fasting, and I know in Maharashtra they do like sabudana khichdi hote hai ya sabudana vadas hote hai, and in Gujarat and in Punjab they do something with different with aloo and kuttu and those kind of different things. In Karnataka normally we do either poha or upma, which is with suji ka hota hai upma to. So here I am showing you how to do upma. Here is very like a teaspoon of ghee in this, and I'll roast the suji first. So then just to get away the raw flavor to go away, and then we start once it is roasted, we start putting it out, remove that from the flame, and start doing the seasoning with other ingredients. So I just roast it for a couple of minutes. That's it. You don't need to do more. And in fasting, the main reason of fasting is to cleanse your body within inside the whole systems to be cleansing. That was the very main reason why they started off Ekadashi in olden days, because you're eating for the 15 days, and once in 15 days to fast is a very good habit. So that way it's kind of detox or cleansing your whole system. So by doing that, what happens is normally many of these onion, garlic are considered like pungent and volatile vegetables, which can cause like they are more pungent, and they kind of aggravates your emotions. So that is the reason rishis, munis, they never had any of these onions or garlic or any too much of spices in their foods. So that is the reason we all say when you fast, you don't eat those kind of foods. And so we just eat very simple khana, also known as comfort food. That's what we eat. So I have just roasted this. Now I'll do a tadka like with simple seasoning with 1 teaspoon of oil, nothing more than that. And then to this I add this regular. I know some of in Punjab they don't use mustard seeds. You don't have to use mustard seeds. This will, even without anything, also it tastes very good. Just I'll add rye, that is mustard seeds, and then jeera, I'll add some the dals just to give the flavor, and chana dal. And hing is also optional because that is in any Hindu family you see they always use hings. So it's up to you. Some of them are gluten free. You also get gluten free hing. If you want, you can. It's what do you like to use? You can use that. And kadi pata. I just use a few of them, break it and put it in here. And chilies are optional. You can use it. We eat chilies in our house, not much though we eat. You can add little bit. And once this starts, you just fry it around for 2-3 minutes, and then you can add back the suji. Roast it for other couple of minutes, and then add salt, and just either you can add buttermilk if you want the more flavorful. You can add buttermilk, or you can add just hot water. I usually do it as 1:2.5. It's up to you. If you want more softer version, you can add 1:3, or 1:2 kind of is dries out. So it's preferable to add 1:2.5 cups of water, and that's what it's just the hot water I add, and it's done in 5 minutes. It's the most easier way to do. And in I know in Tamil Nadu, in different parts of the country, they have different types of fasting food they do. And they do, you can even do sabudana kheer, you can have, or poha. Poha is the most important thing in Karnataka, because when Sri Krishna visits Sudama's house, Sudama comes to Sri Krishna's house, he has nothing to offer to Sri Krishna, and he offers just some poha, dried poha, and that has become a most important thing. So whenever somebody offers poha, we never say no for that, because it is Sri Krishna's prasad. So that's the main thing. At least definitely in Karnataka, we believe that a lot. So either you can use like buttermilk. I do have buttermilk today here. You can use buttermilk along with some water, like 1.5 cups of buttermilk and 1 cup of water. Or you can do is like just plain water. By using buttermilk, you get more flavor. You don't have to use nimbu. You get the sour taste, and it is also one of the most healthiest breakfast you can have in the morning instead of your cereals or anything, or even the bread. This is the most healthier breakfast you can have in the mornings, I would recommend. So
Umaji, there's a question from somebody.
Sure.
What is padumil?
Excuse me?
What is padumil?
Padumel, I'm not able to understand that word.
Okay.
No way. How do you spell it, spell it, or
Spelt it Padumil.
I have never heard in cooking dishes. At least I've never heard. Maybe it's called something else.
Maybe he misunderstood or misheard what you were saying.
Right. It's maybe probably it's called something else. That's why I don't think I've because they do different things. And so the upma is the one of the
Saying that you added it instead of water?
Yes, I added half buttermilk and
Buttermilk.
and
Okay,
half
buttermilk.
water. So
Okay.
that way you have more flavor to that.
Right. Okay.
It has more flavor, and in the end I add some cilantro. So that is the most easier, like a simple dish anybody can have, and it's the most healthier version of breakfast. And in Karnataka especially, it's the most commonly asked breakfast item.
Okay.
And also during upvas time. So during upvas they also do rava idli, they have, or these are the common things they eat in Karnataka, at least I can say. Even in Andhra Pradesh, not only in Karnataka, even in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, rice is the main thing which you avoid during their fasting. So you don't eat idli, you don't eat dosas. You can make whatever dosa you make, you still add some rice flour. So normally they avoid the dosas during that time.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you can have rava idlis instead of that.
Okay. Thank you.
Sure, thanks.
Umaji, can you talk something more about some other foods that can be helpful, like जो लोग नहीं खाते हैं cereal वगैरह,
Okay.
उनके लिए आप क्या suggest करेंगे और how that should be prepared that is still healthy?
Okay, see that I would recommend if you don't want suji, you can try quinoa, or you have so many millets nowadays in Indian stores. In Karnataka, we call them siri dhanya, which is like very expensive. Siri is like a gold. So these जो वो भी जो भी उस पुराने जमाने के होते हैं grains, those are the most healthier ones. And I can bet that even your diabetes can go back to normal. Your blood sugar levels and everything can go back to normal once you start eating these grains and cut down on your rice. And for whatever reason, the main thing is the portion of your eating. The portion should be smaller, but when you start eating these, because they are complex carbohydrates, that's what we call in that nutritional terms, that for the complex carbohydrates your body will start working to break down. That way you are not feeling hungry more often, and even though you eat a very small portion, you feel completely full. And that's the main thing. I wouldn't recommend adding too much of fresh vegetables or anything to these kind of things. And always having buttermilk than yogurt is a better option than having just yogurt itself.
Oh, really? Didn't
Yeah,
know.
always that's what the Ayurvedic also says. Always prefer buttermilk over yogurt because you are already diluting it. You are getting more liquid into your body, so that becomes more helpful.
Good, good. So anybody else has any question that Umaji can answer to make your health diet more healthier?
Hi, Umaji.
Namaste.
Namaste. Uma, this is Monica. Remember, we've
Hey,
never
Monica,
met.
how are you?
Good, good. I've been ordering from her almost like every week, and she's so good, but I've never met you.
Oh, I
So
know.
I recognized you from your voice. I'm like,
Oh,
this is
thank you,
Uma.
Monica. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So, Uma, I wanted to ask you that since
Sure.
we don't eat suji during fast, I will be fasting this whole week,
Mhm.
and we use sabudana for the
Yes.
fast. So when I make sabudana thing, मेरा जो साबूदाना है वो चिपक जाता है, like उसको भिगो के रखते हैं.
No,
उसके
let me explain if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt you. What I would recommend is just wash the sabudana once and leave like a half an inch of water above the sabudana level. So and let it sit for like maybe 3-4 hours. So that way it will get soaked up and it's really plumps up very well. And just next after 3-4 hours, just season it with potatoes and jeera, hing, whatever you want to add, and then grind almost equal proportion of whatever sabudana you have, roasted peanuts with some chilies, grind it and mix it with the sabudana along with the salt, and then add it to the pan with the potatoes in it, and just stir fry it and cook it for a few minutes, and just garnish with some cilantro. That's it. Nothing else to be done.
So, that's when it start getting sticky, when you
You
make
shouldn't add any water to the pan. You should never add water to the pan.
Okay.
You should
Just
cook
like
the potatoes also, stir fry the potatoes. Don't add water. Once you start adding water, it becomes too starchy and the sabudana will get mushy.
Okay.
Namaskar, Umanji.
Namaste, Chandrasekhar.
How are you? Good to see
I'm
you.
good, I'm
I
good.
wanted to add one thing with this sabudana thing.
Right.
When you soak in the half, a little water, then after that, what you should do, you should strain that thing and keep it for a little while, and it comes like a dana.
I know, but with this Chandraji, with this half-inch water, there is no water content at all in the sabudana.
Yeah, even then also,
Oh, even
because
then also,
yeah,
okay.
I did. I cooked several times, and it comes very nice, and like a dana, like
Right.
you know.
So now
you-
I'm adding some cilantro, and you can see how good it looks now. Like this is it.
Wow.
And I turned off my stove, and here is the upma here.
Yeah, I'm coming to eat.
We all are. We all are going to have it ready.
You have
Okay,
it
So
ready.
it's the most simple thing. It's easy, and you can even always. It's very good to eat, and you can make oats the same way. Oats
Yeah.
also you can make it the same way.
Hmm.
It still tastes very good.
Yeah, like you can put in oats also yogurt milk.
Oh yes, I do eat oats with yogurt milk. I don't usually add milk or anything. I just eat it with buttermilk.
I only use water, but this
No,
is
but no,
great with the
like if soak it overnight and next day as you cook it, add just buttermilk and you will really enjoy it.
That's good. That's good to know. Thank
तो
you.
चंद्र जी मैं और उषा आ रहे हैं आपको पिक करने वहां ले जाने के लिए।
अच्छा, ठीक है। अब
उमा जी
चलते
के
हैं।
खाने का तो हो गया।
Oh, her
Thank you,
food
Ji.
is
Oh, we can have
delicious.
social distancing and eat the food. No problem there.
Right,
Yeah. She's like an Annapurna to me,
That's right.
बिल्कुल अन्नपूर्णा and के
Every
घर में
food is an Annapurna, right?
yes, very
Okay,
good.
so we have another Annapurna ji here. You can see my screen now. You all can see my screen.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's aloo bada by our Daksha ji.
Mm-hmm.
Ji, we can't see your screen.
You can't?
No, it is.
I can see it.
Okay.
Hold on then.
खाली आपका नाम आ रहा है बस।
मेरा नाम आ रहा है सिर्फ मेरी
अब ठीक है, अब आ गया आलू बड़ा।
Mutiny.
Now it's okay.
लाइन आनी चाहिए, हैं? लाइन आनी चाहिए स्पीकर पे।
All right. Oops.
Oh wow, Daksha ji, we are all coming now.
Namaste. Yes, anytime.
एक humble,
चंद्र जी मैंने कल ट्राई किया, बहुत अच्छा था।
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow.
एक humble request है because some people are saying they are listening a lot of echo. तो प्लीज अगर सब लोग अपने आप को म्यूट कर दें तो अच्छा रहेगा। थैंक यू।
व्रत में खाने वाले बटेटे के बड़े हम कैसे बनाए, मैं उसको आप दिखाने जा रही हूँ। तो सबसे पहले हम बटेटा, जैसे आलू बोलते, पटेटोस बोलते, उसको बॉईल करके उसको स्मैश करके हम रख देते हैं और उसमें हम जैसे ऐसे स्मैश किए हुए हम बटेटा के वो उसका मावा बनाते हैं। उसमें स्वाद अनुसार उसमें सॉल्ट डालते हैं, उसमें ब्लेंड की हुई ग्रीन चिलीज डालते हैं। किसी को बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है स्पाइसी तो वो थोड़ा ज्यादा डाल सकते हैं, अपने स्वाद के अनुसार डाल सकते हो। थोड़ा सा उसमें क्रश किया हुआ पीनट डालते हैं और रोस्टेड तल है वो तिल डालते हैं रोस्टेड। उसमें खूब सारा धनिया डालते हैं, धनिया से स्वाद बहुत अच्छा आता है और उसमें पिंच ऑफ शुगर भी डाल देते हैं। और सब हो जाए उसके बाद में हम नींबू को लेके उसमें थोड़ा सा नींबू डाल देते हैं और सब डाल के उसको सब अच्छा सा मिक्स कर देते हैं। सॉल्ट और शुगर और लेमन जूस और सब कुछ, हरी मिर्च, अपने वो जो कोरिएंडर लीव्स जिसको धनिया बोलते हैं, सब डाल के उसको सब अच्छे से मिक्स करके फिर हम उसमें से लेके ऐसे गोल गोल करके उसके राउंड बॉल्स बना देते हैं। आप देख सकते हो कि मैंने पहले से बॉल्स बना के रखे हैं, सो आप लोग को दिखाने के लिए। और ऐसे बॉल हो जाए फिर हम एक बैटर तैयार करते हैं जिसमें
वॉल्यूम जतो रहे।
प्रमिला जी आप अपनों को अनम्यूट करिए प्लीज, तब चलेगा वो। Pramila ji, please unmute कीजिए.
Pramila, just unmute yourself, please. Pramila, please unmute yourself.
I don't think she can hear.
I unmuted him myself, but then I passed her.
Okay. So,
वन बाय वन
Okay.
फ्राई करते हो, सब फ्राई हो जाए तो ये इसका फिनिश प्रोडक्ट है. थोड़ा सा ब्राउनिश होता है बिकॉज सिंगाड़ा का आटा ब्राउन होता है. अभी हम ये हो गया है तो हम ये इसको चटनी के साथ खा सकते हैं, टेमरिन की चटनी के साथ खा सकते हैं, आप हरे धनिया की चटनी के साथ खा सकते हैं, बिना चटनी के भी खा सकते हैं. तो यहाँ हमारे गेस्ट है प्रमिला जी, हम उसको ट्राई करने के लिए हम देखते हैं कि कैसा हुआ. प्रमिला जी ट्राई करके देखिए कि आपको ये बड़े कैसे लगे. Those are delicious. Especially if you have some kind of chutney, it's delicious. दक्षा जी, आप अदरवाइज से बना सकते हैं जब फास्ट वगैरह नहीं हो तब भी. हाँ, ये कभी आप अगर फास्ट नहीं करते हो तो आप सिंगाड़ा का आटा की जगह आप बेसन के आटा ले सकते हो और बेसन के आटा में डीप करके आप फ्राई कर सकते हो, एपिटाइजर के जैसे खा सकते हो. सेम थिंग हरे धनिया की चटनी और टेमरिन चटनी के साथ खा सकते हो और बिना चटनी के भी खा सकते हैं. बिना चटनी के ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है. ट्राई वन. I think I made good. So I wish you guys were with me so you can try. But friends, you know, जब नवरात्रि आए, कोई भी फास्ट हो तो इसको आप जरूर ट्राई करिएगा. And I'm sure everybody will enjoy it. Thank you everybody. Happy Navratri again.
दक्षा जी, एक क्वेश्चन है.
बोलिए.
इसको इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली भी खा सकते हैं क्या? स्क्रीन
सब खाने को आ सकते हैं. आप बताइए कब खाना है, मैं बना के लेके आऊंगी.
there were a lot of aloo vadas over there. So what happened to the rest of them?
They all got distributed.
अरुण जी ने खाए और उन्होंने मुझे पैक करके भी दिए.
They all got sent away. So next time when it's Navratri, I can make it for you guys all.
दक्षा जी, जो आपने पैकेट दिखाया ना, उस वक्त आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी. वो एक
तो वो सिंगाड़ा का आटा है.
अच्छा
चंदर जी.
अच्छा.
हाँ, सिंगाड़ा का आटा होता है और फास्ट में जनरली वो सिंगाड़ा के जैसे हम लोग आलू बड़े बनाते हैं ना बेसन में, वैसे ये फराल का है क्योंकि उपवास के टाइम खाने का होता है. तो ये सिंगाड़े के आटे को जैसे बेसन का आटे का बैटर बनाते हैं, वो आवाज चली गई थी. तो खाली पानी डाल के थोड़ा सा नमक डाल के उसकी ऐसी कंसिस्टेंसी, थोड़ी थिक कंसिस्टेंसी करके उसमें डीप करके फ्राई करने के.
अच्छा जी, थैंक यू.
इट्स कॉल्ड सिंगाड़ा का आटा.
सिंगाड़ा का आटा. अच्छा.
And it looks like this in the package. Singada flour.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
हाँ जी. Thank you जी. Thank you.
No problem.
Really delicious.
आप थोड़ा वेरिएशन भी कर सकते हो. अगर आपको खाली पोटैटोस किसी को बहुत नहीं सूट करते तो आप साबूदाना को भी ओवरनाइट भिगो के आप उसमें ऐड कर सकते हो साबूदाने का. तो वो साबूदाना बड़ा हो जाता है फिर.
बड़ा.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that would be a variation.
Wonderful. Thank you जी. Thank you.
Okay. No problem.
It was really good.
Very good.
Thank you.
She is really good. She served me there and she packed few to bring home too.
Seema Rathi has a question. She wants if anybody can enlighten. She has heard of some controversy regarding use of sabudana during Vrat. I'm not aware of that, but if anybody else has and can shed some light on that, that is what she is asking.
I haven't heard about that yet, you know.
No, हमने भी नहीं सुना है. साबूदाना तो हमेशा उसमें
साबूदाना की खिचड़ी बनाते हैं, साबूदाना की खीर बनाते हैं.
हाँ.
Folks, this is Pankaj. Excuse me.
हाँ, बोलो पंकज भाई.
this is controversial, but the way the sabudana is made is kind of a little bit, what I have read, I'm not sure if that is true, is non-vegetarian way.
Oh.
It involves a certain animal product. That's what I understand. I'm not telling you, I guarantee you, but what I have read about it is that I can find out and send the information to one of you after I get reliable resources. I have not done a research on it.
Great. That will be great.
Yeah,
Bhavaji,
we will. I
I'll send
think
it to you.
Jotin has read something like that too, he says. So
Yes, it is.
maybe
I think I will recommend moving to.
Good idea.
Pankaj Bhai, yeah, Pankaj Bhai, you're right. I read the same thing. The way it's made is not particularly wholesome. So maybe a little more research on it so we can, make everyone aware, how it's made.
Yeah, let's cut this short here because some of you may not like it, what it is. So first let's find out and then we can continue.
Then we share.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Definitely.
Thank you, Pankaj Bhai.
Thank you.
So
Thank
there's
you.
one more question from Monica Gupta, and she wants to know the difference between Singhara atta and Kuttu atta. Are they
I think Kuttu atta, I think South Indian people uses Kuttu atta. And right? आपको पता है अनीता जी?
Yeah, Kuttu atta is a buckwheat atta. It's a buckwheat. And mostly in North India side, in the Punjab and that area, and South Indian, they eat the Kuttu atta for a fasta. And the Singhara is the fruit, basically. फल होता है जो the fleshy part of it, उसके हम लोग आटा बनाते हैं, and which you use for a fasting. But Kuttu atta is the buckwheat. It's a wheat, basically. Yes. Yeah, but it is gluten-free. The normal wheats are with the gluten, but this one is the gluten-free. So it's very healthy atta. But some reason, like in Maharashtra, we don't eat kuttu for a fasting. Like it depends region to region.
Right.
So we eat more towards the sabudana and samo rice.
All right, that brings to us next khichdi of samurais, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, so next is. Okay, our next cook is Annapurna is Usha Bhagirath. उन्होंने बनाई है खिचड़ी. Here she is.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम उषा भगीरथ है और सबको नवरात्रि की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। आज मैं आपके सामने बनाने जा रही हूँ व्रत वाले चावल कैसे बनाते हैं। इसमें हमें चाहिए कि जीरा, जिंजर, हरी मिर्च, कड़ी पत्ता, नमक और भुना हुआ जीरा, और साथ में चाहिए दही को फेंट के हमने छाछ बनानी है। पहले 1 कप आप चावल ले लो व्रत वाले, इसको बोलते हैं व्रत वाले चावल या तो फिर बोलते हैं गुजराती में मोरैया। इसको तुम 3 बार धो के इसको 10-15 मिनट उसको पानी में सोक कर दो और फिर कढ़ाई में घी डालो, उसमें डालो जीरा, उसमें डालो जिंजर, हरी मिर्च और कड़ी पत्ता डाल के उसको तड़का लगाना है। जैसे भी तड़का ठीक हो जाए उसमें धुले हुए चावल आपने डालना है और 1 कप के चावल में आपने 3 गुना पानी लेना है, 3 कप पानी डालना है। और स्वाद अनुसार आप अपना नमक भी डाल सकते हैं और उसको 15-20 मिनट तक बिल्कुल स्लो फायर पे पकने देना है, बीच में हिलाते रहना। जैसे भी बन जाए आप उसमें डालो, खत्म होने के बाद उसके ऊपर डाल दो जीरा, भुना हुआ जीरा, धनिया और इसको हिला के रख के उसके बाद इसमें डालो बनाई हुई छाछ जो पतली सी होनी चाहिए और उसको ढक के आप 15 मिनट फिर से उसको रख दो और आपके चावल, व्रत वाले चावल खाने लायक हो जाएंगे और आप सब एंजॉय करेंगे। थैंक यू। और मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ वो कैसे बने हैं। जो बनाने के बाद ये चावल से बनते हैं जो आप
इसमें डिब्बे में है।
अपने हिसाब से खा सकते हैं। इसमें अगर आपको थोड़ा सख्त लगता है, थोड़ा नरम करना है तो आप एक्स्ट्रा छाछ भी डाल सकते हो। थैंक यू एंड एंजॉय। दक्षा बहन, आप ट्राई करके देखो।
बहुत अच्छे होते हैं। मैंने व्रत भी नहीं किया है, फिर भी खाने का मन कर रहा है। अच्छे है।
आज के हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट है ज्योतिन भाई ठाकुर। वो हमें आज बताएंगे चावल कैसे बने हैं।
अरे वाह, हर रोज व्रत करना चाहिए। ऐसा खाना मिले तो।
थैंक यू। उषा जी, मैं हमेशा बनाती हूँ, मेरे ऐसे सॉफ्ट और थिक, ऐसे पतले ठीक कंसिस्टेंसी के नहीं बनते हमेशा और ठीक से हो जाते हैं। तो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग रॉन्ग?
आपको 3 गिना पानी लेना है और उसको स्लो फायर पे पकने के बाद आप छाछ डालो। अगर और भी लगता है पतला करना है तो और एक्स्ट्रा भी छाछ डाल सकते हैं तो आपका पतला हो जाएगा।
Thank you. This is really good. You all should try it. We should all try the मुर्गिया भी बोल सकते हैं इसको और रख के चावल भी बोल सकते हैं। Very good, उषा बहन।
हैप्पी नवरात्रि।
बोलो ना। Hello, anybody has a question?
Yeah, there was a question from Seema ji. She wanted to know where you can buy this Vrat ka chawal.
You can buy from Patel Brothers or any Indian grocery, and this is the. Maybe you can see now.
Seedhu karo. Seedhu karo.
Seedhu.
Yeah.
उल्टा कैसे नजर आ रहा है? Samo seeds. Oh, Samo seeds.
Samo seeds.
Usha
So
ji,
you can buy from Indian store.
Right.
Bhavik या पटेल ब्रदर्स या कोई भी इंडियन स्टोर में जाएंगे तो आपको मिल जाएगा।
Okay. All right. Thank you.
So dono food मैंने taste किए, they were really good, and I'm going to try both again. One I already said I've tried, but it doesn't come out good. But now I know the secret of छाछ डालने का, which is उमा जी ने बताया कि healthy भी है, so we should do it. So let's move on to our.
1 second. I'm going to make on Sunday on Mata Ki Chauki. I'm going to make the same chawal. If anybody want to come and try, they can have it.
That's a good temptation.
Alice, and actually that's
मत्था टेको और व्रत वाले चावल खा के जाओ.
Also.
I will definitely be there, and I fast anyway. So that brings us to, I mean, these cooks are the main reason of success of today's event, right? So next, I think we have many more cooks here to make this event even more successful. So I pass on to, I think, Abhilash ji. He has more videos to continue.
Thank you, Pramila ji. I have a comment. Just look at the videos that you have made. They are absolutely stunning. Means
Thank you.
Means they are professional grade. That's what I can say.
Actually, I didn't test it. I was in rush yesterday, and I was really very feeling bad. What if this doesn't come out right? Because I never tested it after making it there, and I prayed before I used it here, and luckily it came out good. It's just a luck, peaceful luck.
Not luck. Pramila ji, you have a talent and a gift, so don't sell yourself short. This was very, very well done and very professionally done. And I think everybody had a good time. So, but you had more good time, but everybody here watching also had.
Because I got to eat a lot of too. और मुझे याद आया उषा जी ने भी मुझे खिचड़ी पैक करके दी थी।
हाँ।
वो मैं कल खाऊंगी क्योंकि आज मेरा फ्राइडे का होता है, मैं छाछ और नींबू नहीं खा सकती हूँ। तो कल खाऊंगी उषा जी।
Thank you.
Thank you though.
Thank
Okay.
Thank you.
All yours, Abhilash ji.
Thank you, Pramila ji, Usha ji, and Daksha ji. I will pass on to Bhavna ji. Bhavna ji, can you run the video for Anita Gavde ji,
Sure.
please?
Sure.
Thanks.
Thank you, Bhavna ji.
No problem.
Today I'm going to share my mom's recipe with you all called Sabudana Che Thali Pit. This recipe is prepared in many Maharashtrian households during fasting time. This recipe is a modified version of Sabudana Vada. Instead of frying, we will use only 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. It is also a good gluten-free option, but it contains peanut. To make this dish, we need to soak a cup of sabudana in water overnight. In a container, add 1 cup of grated boiled potato, 1 cup of soaked sabudana, half cup of roasted peanut powder, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 2 tablespoons of chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon of vrat ka salt, and 1 tablespoon of lime or lemon juice. Mix all ingredients well. Divide the mixture into 6 portions. Take a ball of the mixture and start patting it over butter paper or a Ziploc bag. Brush the griddle with ghee or cooking oil. Gently place the thali pit over the hot griddle. After 1 minute, cover with a lid to cook well. Flatten the thali pit if needed. Cook until both sides are golden brown. In the meantime, prepare cold desi yogurt, garnish with vrat salt and roasted jeera powder. Serve hot with cold desi yogurt. Enjoy! This is one of my childhood favorites. I hope you all will love it too.
I have a question, Anita. This
Yes.
is Ani.
Yes.
I want to know if you can just soak it for maybe an hour or so. Do you have to soak it overnight, this sabudana?
Yeah, I mean, right now we had lots of questions like, the sabudana gets sticky or, it doesn't cook well. So this is my trick, if you cook soak overnight, it will help you more to make more sabudana, the softly and, the sute ho jayenge. But minimum 4 hours you have to soak them, before cooking. So that's the minimum 4 hours, but with the cold water. Don't use the hot or warm water. You have to soak it with the cold water.
Yeah.
And what happened compared to India, the sabudana which we get here, they are little mushy. So you have to wash them 2-3 times before with the cold water before soaking them. So you have to remove all the white powder which comes out, and with the chalni, you just drain out the sabudana well, and then you soak it.
Yeah, but when you are doing the just sabudana, just like sabudana khichdi or something, then you don't need to mush it too much. So then you can soak it for
So like
little
main
time.
thing, but it is better to always soak them minimum 4 hours and in the cold water. And don't put too much water, just to cover the layer, just to cover the sabudana.
Okay, thank you.
And you have to use peanut powder more. When you are making khichdi, you need to add more peanut powder, so then वो लड्डा नहीं होता है, like when you make so it gives the little crunchiness to your khichdi too.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah.
Seema ji wants to know, how does the sabudana bind in a ball? Because it's mushy, right? It becomes a little.
So what happened? The potato work as a binder here. If you can use boiled potato, then it helps you to bind the sabudana. That's why I said 1:1. Like you need to take 1 cup of sabudana, equal amount of potato or sweet potato. If you have a diabetes, you can use the sweet potato instead of regular potatoes.
Okay,
and you can just add sumo that singada atta if you want to bind it more further, but I think so the aloo will help you to bind the sabudana.
Okay, thank you, Anita. Anybody have any questions? Okay, so Abhilash, back to you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you for having me. Thank you.
Anita ji, we will have you in future programs.
Yeah, sure, thank you.
और ये बहुत अच्छा बनाती है, और मुझे स्पेसिफिक दही बड़े बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
Yeah, sure. Anytime, Abhilash ji. Thank you.
हमारे बीच में उषा कपूर जी हैं. उन्होंने व्रत की खीर बनाया है, and I'm going to put her video on my screen, and please let me know if it is working fine. Thank you.
So I just want to say, let everybody know that these are videos, so pre-recorded videos that we are showing. So if you have any questions, just wait until the videos are completely over before. I know the quality of the videos is so good that you feel as if you're right there, but these are all pre-recorded videos. So just wait until the videos are over before you ask your questions. Sorry, Abhilash ji, back to you.
No problem. Not all the videos are so good. So हमने जो बनाए हैं वो बहुत अच्छे नहीं हैं, तो उसके लिए apology है. But Pramila ji, I will praise again. Pramila ji and specifically Shalini Verma, they have made very nice videos. So we will see when it comes next. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm making this kheer for the vrat. Now that we have Navratri, so we do fasting. So this is the kheer made with whole milk and the rice, fasting rice. And the name of the fasting rice is the Somo seeds that you can get at the Indian store. So first I did was boil the milk. This is whole milk. I took 2 cups of whole milk. And
उससे आवाज कम हो जाती है.
And then you let it boil for another 10-15 minutes to reduce it. And in the meantime, I'm doing is I have the rice with half a teaspoon of ghee, and I have 2 kachis of this rice, or maybe 4.5 ounces of flat rice. So I'm just going to brown the rice, because it gives a good taste as you brown it. So just slightly brown, not burn it, but just slightly brown it. So उसमें कच्चा taste नहीं आता, सिर्फ भुना हुआ taste आता है. I'm just going to brown this now, and we'll get the milk going, and we'll also brown the rice. So So my rice is done. Is bhuna. You can get even the fragrance of the bhuna when you brown it. So you can get the fragrance. It's all done. And my milk is already boiled and been reducing. So in the meantime, I will add 2 or 3 strands of the saffron to give it color and the milk is already reduced. Rice is browned up. So I'm going to add, just stir the milk so that it's really reduced. Keep stirring it so it doesn't touch the bottom one. And I see that my milk is already thickened up a little bit. And so let it go. And now I will add all my rice to the milk. So I've added it, and then just let it cook on the low flame, like you make the kheer. So I'll keep stirring it, and keep stirring so it keeps mixing and doesn't touch the bottom, and let it cook for some time. You can see that the kheer is done. You can see the consistency is done. Now I will put it in a serving bowl and then garnish it. Okay, this is the kheer that's been done, which I showed it earlier, that you boil the milk and then you add the rice and let it cook for some time. And once it's done, you put the sugar, which I explained earlier. So this is the end product. You put it in a serving bowl and now you serve it hot, or you can serve it cold, keep in the fridge, and I've garnished it with pistachios and almonds. So enjoy the kheer and enjoy the fasting. Thank you.
Thank you, Usha ji. Thank you so much. बहुत yummy. उनको unmute करो for question and answer. Yeah. So if anyone has questions, please ask Usha ji. मेरा एक question है, like what kind of rice was that?
This is the same Somo rice that you can get from the Indian store, the one that, Usha Bhagirath made the rice, the palau.
Yeah.
So same rice is the seeds, the Somo seeds that you can get from the Indian store. Same rice.
So you can't use basmati rice for this, right?
No, you cannot. No, this is the fasting rice that you use only for fasting.
Oh, okay.
So the next participant we have is Shalini Verma. She has made.
Abhilash, sorry, there's just one last question from Sapna Kapil. How much sugar did you use, Usha ji?
Sugar, I used about, I would say, a half a cup, a small cup, but you can use according to your taste. If you like it very sweet, you can use, or if you want less, so it depends. I used about half a cup of sugar, a small, half cup. Okay. I mean, small cup, not half, I mean, less than half, but I used that one.
Okay.
Yeah, sugars that I put according to taste. Some, like I said, some like it very sweet, they put more sugar. Some like it less, you put less sugar.
Thank you. Okay, back to you. Sorry, Abhilash ji. Go ahead. Abhilash ji, you're muted. Just unmute yourself.
Yeah, Bhavna ji, can you please make Shalini Verma host? She's going to run her video.
Ipsa and Kush.
Ipsa and Kush, I mean to say.
I'm sorry, who?
Ipsa and Kush.
Acha, Ipsa and Kush. Okay. Okay. You're all set. Go ahead.
Namaste, everyone.
Namaste, Shalini. Where is your video?
It's coming. I'll just give 1 second. So I'll be sharing the recipe for sabudana appe.
Namaste, everyone. My name is Shalini. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'll be sharing the recipe to make sabudana appe. This is one of the quick and delicious food item that we can enjoy during the days of fasting. So let's get started. ingredients needed for sabudana ape or tapioca ball ape. We need half cup tapioca balls or sabudana soaked overnight, and then I washed it in water multiple times. Then we need half cup peanuts. We need 2 medium-sized potatoes. I'm taking 1 green chili. You can take as much as you want, as per your taste. A little bit of ghee that we'll be needing to cook it, and salt as per your taste. So now we have boiled potatoes and grated. I grated it so that it's ready. And I'm gonna add to it the tapioca seeds or the sabudana. I've also roasted and grinded peanuts, half the peanuts that we took earlier. I'm gonna add that to it. We're gonna mix all these ingredients and make like a dough. I'm also gonna add finely chopped green chilies. And I also got some cilantro, green cilantro, so you can add that as well. That's an optional as per your taste, if you like it. Now to it, I'm gonna add the salt as per taste again. And I'm gonna mix all the ingredients together. Now I've mixed all the ingredients together. I'm gonna make a small balls. I'll take some ghee, apply it on my hand, take a small quantity of the ingredients and roll it into a small ball. Roll it or press it, however you want to make it. Make sure the ball is not big, too big, but roll it into small balls like this. So I'll continue to roll into small balls. You may not need to apply ghee all the time, so here we go. Now I've heated the ape pan on medium. I'm gonna add some ghee to it. Little bit of ghee in each, not a lot. Now I'm gonna add the balls that I've prepared into each of these compartments. And one other thing to note, since this is the recipe for fast food, for fasting, it will be better to add the salt that you eat during the fast. Then I cover it up and I'll let it cook for 5 minutes. And after that, I'm gonna come back and see, and maybe it will need a little bit of turning. Now we're gonna open it since it has cooked for 5 minutes. I'm gonna give it a turn. Be a little bit careful because the top is not good if you do mushy, so don't worry about that. You can see how crispy it looks. Just gonna turn it. And I'm taking help of another fork as well. Now all are turned. I'm gonna add a little bit more ghee to each of it. As you can see, I'm gonna add it on top of it. It's gonna melt down. We have to add it to all. The good thing about making ape sabudana is that it's not too oily. It's gonna be crispy as if it's deep fried, but yeah, it's gonna be less oily. Like a healthy food, fast food. So I'm almost done adding it to all, and I'll let it sit for maybe a couple of more minutes, and we'll check again. Just one last one. Done. As you can see, it's so sizzling. Sounds so good, and the smell so nice. Ghee does all the work. Close it again and let it sit for a couple of more minutes. So after a couple of minutes, I flipped it again to the sides, and I'm gonna let it sit there for another 1 minute. So here we are with the final product. I'm gonna try one. So look how crispy this is, and it's less oily as well. Try one. So delicious. I'm sure you're gonna love it when you try it. So here it is, from my kitchen to your table.
Wow, that was excellent. So I have one question for you, Shalini ji. Where do you get that pan? I've never seen that pan before.
I got that from India, but
Uh-huh.
I've seen it here in Indian store as well. Like if you go to Patel, you'll find it there as well.
Okay.
Or the best place to go for it is Amazon. So if you go there, you'll get everything.
And what is it called? It's called
Ape pan.
Ape pan. Okay. All right. Okay, great.
So
All right.
there
So
is,
tomorrow morning, I'm going to Bhavik and buying a whole bunch of sabudana and a whole bunch of big bag of peanuts. And I'll be cooking.
I had a
A
question.
lot of these recipes, I think you can make in the air fryer also, right?
Yes, yes.
I had a question.
Sure.
उसको हम इडली जो बनाते हैं उसमें यूज कर सकते हैं वो बर्तन?
इडली वाला स्टीमर होता है, इसमें स्टीम नहीं होती है, ये डायरेक्ट हीट के ऊपर रख के कुक होता है.
वो गैस के ऊपर नहीं रख सकते हो तुम?
नहीं, वो उसमें आपको पानी चाहिए होता है, राइट? नीचे.
हाँ जी.
Sorry to interrupt Usha ji and Shalini ji, that Uma ji made once like this with the idli dough. She made like this, and she actually, I tasted them, and it came very, very nice. You can do it, but the dough has to be little bit, little thick. Yeah, and it really tastes good. You can do that, but it will not be like big idlis, like a ball, like the way you did that appam.
Oh, sorry, I misunderstood your question. I thought you were asking if you can use this same recipe in idli maker.
Yes.
So no.
No,
So you
no.
can use the idli
dough. Yeah.
Yeah, idli dough or anything like that, and put it in this ape pan, and you can make it. So it'll come out like what I had. They're called the sabudana apes. It's gonna be your idli.
Idli ape. Yeah.
Yeah.
I had a lot actually. Umaji gave me so many times. She made this like exactly the same way.
Yeah.
And my wife, this is Pankaj, my wife just informed me that there are two types of ape pan. One is for the flat electric stove that you were cooking on, and the other one is the one that you can put it on the gas stove. So they both pans are two different types. Is that correct?
I don't know, since I had the flat cooktop, so I just looked for what in my cooktop.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
If you want to make it in idli pan, it has those holes, and the ghee will not stay there. So you right.
Yeah.
इडली में तो घी चाहिए नहीं ना, इडली में तो स्टीम करना है anyway.
Right.
Is different.
वो क्रिस्प नहीं रहेगा, वो सॉगी सा हो जाएगा काफी.
बिल्कुल. Yeah, you have to use the ghee a little bit. Yeah. Without ghee.
So let's move to our next participant. We have.
Thank you, Shalini ji. That was really nice.
Sorry. तो मैं बता दूं कि ये हमने बहुत अच्छे से हमारे घर में सर्व हुआ था अप्पे, और हमने बहुत एंजॉय किया था कल शाम को जब ये बने थे. And they were delicious.
And I also want to tell Shalini, because since that day I didn't see you, आपके बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा हनुमान चालीसा किया. Please उनको continue रखिए. बहुत अच्छा होना.
Thank you.
Yes, that was very nice.
Hopefully they'll learn the complete Hanuman Chalisa soon.
Sure. They will. Don't worry. They will. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes.
Zikaria ji, you are next. अपने आप को प्रकट कीजिए screen पे, so that we all can see you.
You have to stop sharing screen, Abhilash.
I'm going to run her video here.
Oh, okay.
साबूदाना लिया है, उसको रात भर भिगो के रखा था हमने. ये है मूंगफली, ये आलू, एक पूरा नींबू, जीरा, हरी मिर्च, अदरक, नमक, धनिया और ये लाल मिर्च स्वाद अनुसार. ये हमारा तेल हो चुका है. 2 से 3 चम्मच हमने तेल लिया है, उसमें जीरा डाला, ये हम डालने जा रहे हैं हरी मिर्च स्वाद अनुसार. अगर बच्चे खाने वाले हो तो हरी मिर्च ना डालें. आज के हमारे शेफ अनीता बेन जिकारिया. ये हम डालेंगे अदरक, ये अब हमने डाला साबूदाना. हरी मिर्च, जीरा और अदरक को सौटे करने के बाद साबूदाना डाल दिया. हिलाते रहिए ऐसे नीचे चिपक ना जाए. और नीता बहन जी कैसे हो आप?
बढ़िया. ये नवरात्रि आ रही है,
इसके लिए हम फराळ बना रहे हैं। बढ़िया बढ़िया वानगी फराळ में चलती है। हैप्पी नवरात्रि सबको। ये देखिए, ये हिलाने के बाद ऐसा हो जाएगा, मिक्स होने के बाद। इसे हिलाते रहिए, इसे चिपक ना जाए। उसके बाद हम इसमें डालेंगे नमक स्वाद अनुसार। हो चुके हैं, अब साबुदाना हो गया है, उसमें मसाला मिक्स हो गया है। अब इसमें डालेंगे आलू। एक उबला हुआ आलू लिया है हमने पूरा। अब हम इसमें डालेंगे 1 चम्मच शुगर, 1 से 1.5 चम्मच। अब इसमें डालेंगे लाल मिर्च पाउडर स्वाद अनुसार। अब इसमें हम डालेंगे मूंगफली के दाने क्रश किए हुए। अभी 2 मिनट और हिलाएंगे। 2 मिनट तक, 2 से 3 मिनट तक इसको हिलाते रहे। इसको अच्छे से पकाएं। मिक्स हो जाने के बाद अब इसमें हम डालेंगे नींबू आधा कटा हुआ।
Sorry about that. So I think ये stuck हो गया है video. So Neeta ji, are you there? Neeta ji? I think Neeta ji is not there. So मेरा original video इसमें था. कोई नहीं, आई थिंक इसमें खाली सर्व और करना था, दैट वाज द नेक्स्ट थिंग, बट इट इज नॉट गेटिंग देयर. सो अगर नीता जी हैं तो वो बता सकते हैं कि इसके आगे कुछ था तो. नीता जी, आर यू देयर? चलिए कोई बात नहीं, हम मूव करते हैं. कोई क्वेश्चंस हैं किसी के? नीता जी, आर यू देयर टू आंसर?
She's here, Abhilash.
Yeah, I can
I
see.
think she's having a little problem with her video.
Okay.
But she's there.
ओके, तो ये कोई क्वेश्चंस हैं? बहुत सुंदर साबूदाने की खिचड़ी लगी. एक्चुअली ये साबूदाने की खिचड़ी इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर थिंग व्हिच इज यूज्ड इन व्रत इन ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया. मींस ऐसा कोई पार्ट नहीं है, चाहे गुजरात हो, चाहे यूपी हो, चाहे नॉर्थ हो, साउथ हो. देयर मे बी अ लिटिल डिफरेंस इन द रेसिपी, बट आई थिंक it is the most commonly used item.
Yeah.
So, if anybody have questions, we can field it to Neeta ji.
I have one question, Abhilash ji, कि उसका कलर ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे हल्दी होती है. Do we use haldi in the fasting food?
हल्दी नॉर्मली नहीं यूज करते हैं, जैसा कि मैंने सुना है.
जी.
कलर था वो लाल मिर्च का कलर था.
कलर था, अच्छा. मुझे ऐसा लगा वो येलो हो गया ना, तो एकदम से ऐसे लगा जैसे टर्मरिक उन्होंने टर्मरिक यूज करी है. बट यूजुअली आई आल्सो हर्ड कि व्रत के खाने में हल्दी नहीं डालते हैं.
हाँ जी.
अच्छा, थैंक यू, थैंक यू.
So I have a question for any medical people in the audience today. So sabudana is eaten during Vrat, but it is very high in carbohydrates, right?
Yes, I agree.
100 grams has almost 94 grams of carbohydrates in it. So people who are carb sensitive, and especially as women age, they become more and more carbohydrate sensitive. They easily put on weight if they eat a lot of carbohydrates. So then in that case, is there another alternative item that can be used for?
For khichdi, I will say, means Anita ji hain, Anita ji bata sakte hain. But buckwheat is, I think, one of the most best thing, to use during Vrat. Ramdane ka aata, Rajgir flour, those are all kind of millets. I'm not sure millets, but those
not millet.
Millet nahi hai, sorry.
राजगरे का आटा, सिंगाड़े का आटा.
Singade ka atta is better, like same. But because in every sagudana we saw, we used potatoes also. So potatoes are also carb, lot of carb.
जब मैं बनाती हूँ तो पोटैटो के बदले आप एप्पल डाल सकते हो.
That's good. That's wonderful. Yeah. But again, apple also has some carb,
When you use the apple, you squeeze the lemon on the top of the apple, and first you saute the apple, then you put the sabudana.
Achha. But Bhavna ji, if they don't find others atta, what they are talking about the carb, because peanuts is good. Peanuts also, is high in protein, and you can, compensate with the peanut.
Let me tell you, जो मखाना होता है,
हाँ, वो भी अच्छा होता है, वो भी.
Very rich for Vrat. बहुत ज्यादा उसमें एनर्जी होती है.
जी.
कैल्शियम होता है. There are so many good things about. आप रिसर्च करके देखिए मखाने का.
The same way Usha ji made the kheer, you can make makhana ki kheer. I do that actually.
Okay.
मखाने की खीर जैसे उन्होंने वो चावल की खीर बनाई है, instead of that you can saute the makhanas in the desi ghee and then put it in the milk and keep on. It's delicious with all the nuts. You can put pistachio, a lot of almonds. So all that really is good in protein. For protein, that will really cover up.
Okay.
हाँ जी, मखाने की खीर बहुत अच्छे व्रत की बनती है.
That's true.
So Maji is also asking if there are any Rajgiri recipes.
So we will continue the discussion. I think we have one more video
Okay.
to go, and that is from Aradhana ji, and she has made some dessert for the vrat. So with some little variations, you can use it for non-vrat purposes also. And what she's going to make and show today is milk cake or kalakand kind of from ricotta cheese.
नमस्ते, आज मैं आप लोगों को कलाकंद रिकोटा चीज से बनाना बताऊंगी. रिकोटा चीज, आपको चाहिए रिकोटा चीज, कंडेंस मिल्क, कुछ कटे हुए बादाम, इलायची, जिसका इलायची पाउडर चाहिए है, और ओवन को हम पहले प्री हीट कर लेते हैं 350 से 375 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे. जब ओवन प्री हीट हो जाए तो आप रिकोटा चीज को एक खुले हुए पैन में डालिए, जितना भी डालना है, और उसके बाद उसको मिडल रैक में रखिए for 30 to 35 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes actually. And वो थोड़ी देर में बबल हो, से 25 मिनट बाद रिकोटा चीज को निकाल के आप उसको थोड़ा सा चला के और उसके साइड्स को भी चला के फिर उसको वापस ओवन में रख देंगे 20-25 मिनट के लिए दोबारा. चलिए इस बीच में कुछ और काम कर लेते हैं. थोड़े से ड्राई फ्रूट्स लेते हैं. आप बादाम ले सकते हैं, पिस्ता ले सकते हैं, काजू ले सकते हैं. मैं यहाँ पे बादाम ले रही हूँ. उनको चॉप करते हैं छोटा छोटा, और चॉप करके उनको बारीक काट सकते हैं इनको. इसके अलावा हम इलायची लेते हैं. इलायची को फ्रेश लेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा क्योंकि उसकी खुशबू अच्छी आती है. तो उसको जो है लेके, और आपके पास अगर इस तरह का बर्तन है तो उसमें छोटा छोटा कूट के उसके छिलके हटा के दाना निकाल लेंगे और उसको फिर बारीक पाउडर बना लेंगे. आप जो है केसर भी ले सकते हैं. मैं केसर ले रही हूँ. केसर को जो है पानी में थोड़ा सा घोल के उसका कलर निकाल सकते हैं, और फिर उसको उसके फाइबर्स को भी आप जो है उसके ऊपर सजाने के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं. हम केसर लेंगे. रोज वाटर जो है बहुत अच्छा होता है, खुशबू बहुत अच्छी आती है. आप रोज वाटर ले सकते हैं. गुलाब का जल, मेरे पास केवड़ा है इस समय, मैं केवड़ा यूज करूंगी. तो जो है जब अभी ये तैयार हो जाएगा तो ये सारी चीजें हम उसमें मिक्स करके कंडेंस मिल्क डालने के बाद उसको थोड़ी देर गर्म. चलिए देखते हैं कि अब ये किस स्टेज पे पहुंचा है. इसको बाहर निकाल के देखिए, इसके चारों तरफ ब्राउन सा होने लगा है. इसको वापस चलाएंगे थोड़ी देर. उसका पानी अभी इसमें है, तो जब तक वो ग्रेन्युलर नहीं होता तब तक उसको हमें हीट करना है और पानी को इवेपोरेट करना है. तो इसको थोड़ी देर और रखेंगे तो ये ग्रेन्युलर होने लगेगा. ये देखते हैं कि कितना हो गया है ये. तो ये बिल्कुल परफेक्ट हो गया है. आप ये देख सकते हैं बिल्कुल ग्रेन्युलर दाने दाने आने लगे हैं. ये इतना ही होना चाहिए कि इसमें इसका पानी सूख जाए और इसमें दाने हो जाए. अब इसमें हम कंडेंस मिल्क डालेंगे. तो ये कंडेंस मिल्क है. इसको आप उसकी क्वांटिटी के हिसाब से पोर करिए. अच्छे से मिला के, और इसमें आप जो ड्राई फ्रूट्स आपने काटे हैं वो डाल देंगे. अब हम इसमें केसर का पानी डालेंगे और उसको वापस चलाएंगे. और केवड़ा हम डाल रहे हैं. आपके पास अगर रोज वाटर है तो आप रोज वाटर डालिए, थोड़ा सा डालते हैं क्योंकि ये बस खुशबू के लिए चाहिए होता है। तो हमने इसको अच्छे से मिला दिया है और अब हम इसको वापस ओवन में रखेंगे। आप ये देख रहे हैं कि मैंने 2 बनाए हैं, एक में मैंने थोड़ा काजू ज्यादा डाला है क्योंकि मेरी बेटी को पसंद है, और इसमें मैंने थोड़ा बादाम ज्यादा डाला है, और इसमें मैंने केवड़ा भी थोड़ा ज्यादा। इसको वापस हम अंदर रखेंगे 20 से 25 मिनट के लिए। और अब देखते हैं कि कितना वो हो गया है कि नहीं। वाह, ये तो परफेक्टली हो गया है। आप देख रहे हैं उसमें बबल आ रहे हैं, तो इसको बाहर निकालते हैं और इसको थोड़ा सा मिक्स करते हैं। बहुत बढ़िया हो गया है। इसको हम पहले थोड़ी देर ठंडा होने देंगे। तो अभी हम थोड़ी देर ठंडा होने देंगे। ये पैन लिया है, इसमें पूरा मैंने पहले ग्रीस कर दिया है, और उसके बाद ये दोनों बर्तन का जो खोआ था वो इसमें डाल के उसको बराबर जमाएंगे। और जैसा कि मैंने पहले कहा था कि उसको 4 से 5 घंटे फ्रिज में रखना है। तो ये बराबर इवनली लेयर कर दिया है। अब इसमें मैंने जो इलायची कूटी थी उसको थोड़ा थोड़ा ऊपर डाल देंगे गार्निश करने के लिए। और अगर आप चाहें तो आप थोड़ा केसर, पिस्ता, बादाम वो भी इसी में और ऊपर से डाल सकते हैं। मैं थोड़ा सा केसर और डाल रही हूँ। तो अब ये हमारा पूरी तरह से तैयार हो गया है। अब हम इसको 4 से 5 घंटे के लिए फ्रिज में रखेंगे, और जब ये थोड़ा ठंडा और हो जाएगा, अच्छे से जम जाएगा, तो फिर हम लोग इसको खाने के लिए तैयार करेंगे। इसके छोटे छोटे इसके पीस काटेंगे और सर्व करेंगे। ओके, तो अब हमने जो है इसको फ्रिज से निकाल लिया है और देखते हैं कैसा। वाओ, दिस लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल। अब हम इसको छोटे छोटे पीसेस में काटेंगे। और ये हमारा कलाकंद और मिल्क केक तैयार हो गया है।
हमारा तो काम हो गया। खाना खाएंगे उमा जी के यहाँ और डिजर्ट खाएंगे।
संडे मुझे चाहिए संडे को। मैं आ रही हूँ।
बड़े बड़े अगर आप 3 LB रिकोटा और 2 कंडेंस मिल्क में अगर इतने बड़े बड़े पीसेस काटेंगे तो आप ऑलमोस्ट 40 पीसेस आप उसके ले सकते हैं। और ये मिठाई दिवाली के लिए, किसी भी व्रत में, सबके लिए अच्छी है और बड़ी इजी है बनाने में। थोड़ा टाइम लगता है बट इजी है बनाने में। तो एंजॉय करिए और बताइए कैसा लगा। सो दिस इज फॉर यू गाइस। बाइट। Yeah, yummy. So this is for it. मुझे लगता है आप लोग को ये रिकोटा चीज से बनी हुई कलाकंद और मिल्क केक पसंद आया होगा। इजी रेसिपी है, आराम से बन सकती है घर में। और आपको अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो जरूर पूछिएगा और प्लीज कम एंड हैव इट। आप लोग घर आइए और खाइए। थैंक यू सो मच।
मैं आ रही हूँ कल।
थैंक यू राधना जी, ब्यूटीफुल।
बहुत ही अच्छा, मुंह में पानी आ गया मेरा।
बिल्कुल।
आप लोग आइए, अभी बहुत है रखी हुई।
आद्या ने खत्म नहीं किया। उसने तो आप खा लिया होगा सारा, हमारे लिए तो बचेगा नहीं कुछ भी।
बचा हुआ है और जिसको चाहिए I can deliver. Just let me know.
So,
That's so
Abhilash,
good.
we should upload all these videos to separately to our YouTube channel.
Absolutely.
It was very nice. Everyone was
Everybody did a great job in making the
great.
Pamela,
Yes.
you just outdid yourself today with the presentation.
Yes.
And
Yeah, it was.
So thank you so much for taking so much time and effort.
Very good.
बहुत धन्यवाद, सबने बहुत मेहनत किया.
Glad everyone enjoyed it.
Yes, thank you.
संजय जी समाप्ति
We also
करेंगे
learned
थोड़ा.
about good healthy food.
Ji?
We learned about good food and healthy food.
Yeah.
I think we had more of a feast. We'll be having a feast rather than doing vrat. भगवान वगैरह को कोई पूजेगा भी नहीं, अपन खाना खाते रहेंगे. That's the purpose of vrat.
व्रत को उपवास भी बोलते हैं. उपवास की ट्रांसलेशन ये भी है कि आप you are feel more closer to God and away from food.
Exactly. अपन सब उल्टा कर रहे हैं.
हम तो याद रखें वर्ड को, तो I think we'll be more closer to God and little away from the food.
लेकिन खाना तो इतना बना दिया सबने.
अब उसको खत्म करना है. That's a good excuse. खाना बनाया उसको खत्म तो करना है ना, इसलिए खाई जाए.
एकदम से इतना अच्छा
So
खाना.
I just want to remind everybody that we have Mata Ki Chauki on Sunday at Royal Palace. You can come in person, but to do darshan, and we will have chunnis for you there also. But if you do come, then please plan to stay no longer than 15 or 20 minutes. Just take the darshan, and we will have pre-packaged langar and prasad packages for you to take with you. Or you can join via Zoom. We will be streaming it on Zoom as well from Royal Palace itself. But we will be maintaining social distancing. It's a large place. We will have masks for you in case you forget, and hand sanitizers. So please don't feel fearful of coming. It is all very very open and very clean, and it's very safe. So we look forward to seeing you on Sunday for Mata Ki Chauki at 6 o'clock. That's all I have to say.
So, अब समाप्ति कर दें भावना जी. ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात्. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात्. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ शान्ति 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 असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ द्यौः शान्ति अन्तरिक्षगं शान्ति पृथिवी शान्तिरापा शान्तिरोषधया शान्ति वनस्पतया शान्ति विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्मा शान्ति सर्वगं शान्ति शान्तिरेवा शान्ति सामा शान्तिरेव ॐ शान्ति 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 Thank you जी. Happy Navratri to everybody.
आद्या बोलेगी एक मंत्र.
Sure.
एक्चुअली आद्या बोलना चाह रही थी बट क्योंकि आज स्पेशल ओकेजन था व्रत का और खाने का, तो शी वांटेड टू से वन मंत्र फॉर माता अन्नपूर्णा.
Sure, sure.
ज्ञान विरागे सिद्धार्थं भिक्षांदेहि च पार्वती माता च पार्वती देवी पिता देवो महेश्वरा पांडुआश्र भक्तस्य.
Thank you आद्या. Thank you बेटा.
Thank you बेटा. आराधना जी, one question. आपने 3 पाउंड रिकोटा में 1 कंडेंस्ड मिल्क डाला.
नहीं, मैंने 2 डाले थे, पर अगर आपको ये मीठा थोड़ा ज्यादा था मतलब ये, लेकिन अगर आप चाहें तो आप उसकी क्वांटिटी को कम कर सकते हैं. 1 और 1.5 भी अच्छा लगेगा.
अच्छा हाँ, नहीं तो बहुत स्वीट हो जाता है ना एकदम. स्पेशली जो लोग मीठा कम खाते हैं वो they can use 1.5 also.
You can use even 1. ऐसा
Oh,
नहीं.
okay.
हाँ.
Okay.
और अगर चाहें तो उसमें मावा पाउडर भी डाल सकते हैं. मैंने डाला नहीं. उसको
Make it
जल्दी
dry.
मोर थिक करने के लिए आप मावा पाउडर भी डाल सकते हैं.
Thank you. It was very nice recipe. Thank you so much.
अब बनाएंगे ना, हम खाना खाने आ जाएंगे.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है.
Thank you जी. Thank you जी. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna.
Good night, everybody. Happy Navratri.
Happy Navratri. Happy Navratri.
And see you all on Sunday for Mata Ki Chowki.
Yeah.
And we will put all the videos on our YouTube channel of Hindu Temple. And there is a special request. Please आप उसको देखिए और उसको लाइक करिए. और ये पूरा प्रोग्राम अभी Facebook लाइव पे चल रहा है. आप उसमें भी जाके प्लीज कमेंट करिए. This helps us to get more connected to more.
Thank you.
Please do that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Okay.